Namaskar, hello and welcome to NCERT's special live phone-in program webinar on ICT tool. CIET NCERT in collaboration with Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog presents to you a 10-day training, online training on digital game development. It's a 10-day training and today is the 8th day. And today's topic is controlling the sprites. We have two experts with us who are going to explain you about the sprites and how to control them and a lot many things attached to it. If you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to send it us on our email ID, which is training@ciet.nic.in. And you can also share your questions, your queries with us on our YouTube channel NCERT Official. In the live chat box, you can write down your questions and send it to us. It's a very simple method. You're watching us live on PMeVIDYA channel number 6 to channel number 9. And this is at the end of this training, which will be the 16th of July, the 10th day of the training, there will be a theme-based assignment given to all of you. And on the basis of the assessment of that assignment, certificates will be issued to all of you. So please feel free to pass on the message to other people and so that they can register. If you haven't seen all the earlier sessions, then please watch them. They are already uploaded on our YouTube channel NCERT Official. And the assignment, like I said, will be given on 16th of July and the instructions along with it will also be given on 16th of July. So don't worry about it, just watch all the earlier sessions and today's session as well. At 5 o'clock, we'll come back with our another special live phone-in program, which will be Sahyog, and the topic will be anger management with special reference to adolescent. Let's meet our experts for this particular session who are going to explain about controlling the sprites. And we have with us Mr. Jitendra Kumar. Welcome, sir.
Namaskar to all.
Namaskar, sir. Sir is a lead consultant at Learning Links Foundation, and along with him we have Ms. Supriya Kadam. Welcome, ma'am.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Ma'am is also a lead consultant at Learning Links Foundation. So without wasting any more time, let's ask ma'am that what exactly did we do in the previous session, which was the 7th day. Can you please briefly sum it up for our viewers and also tell us what are we going to learn in this particular session?
Yes. So today we are going to learn on how to control sprites. And today we will also see how to add more behaviors and how to animate it. So in the last lecture, we had seen that how we can add plugins in sprites. So we put one link for Wikipedia and when we directed from one layer to another. So that was about yesterday, right? So today I will put focus on how we can add background. Okay, so for adding background, you already know how to add sprite, right? So for that, we first of all open construct software by double clicking on it. The front page, the middle part, the white layer is nothing but your layout. So there you need to double click on anywhere on the screen, and then once you click over there, you will have option of add new object. For add new object, inside that you will have option of add background image or tiled object. So you need to select that and then you can import any kind of image over there what you want to set as a background. Okay, so here there is one advantages in background, that is either PNG, JPG or JPEG image you can set as your background. But in sprite, at the time of choosing sprite, you need to select just only PNG file, because PNG file carries transparent background with us. So at the time of selecting sprite, you must need to select PNG image. It looks good. So once you select your background, you import your sprites, you add some animations and behavior in it, then you need to check whether your game is working properly or not, right? So for that, you used to click on a run button. So if in case your game is somehow not working well, then there is one more option, as you can see on your screen, that the right side of the run button, there is option of debug. So you need to click on debugging, right? So once you click on debug, then you can see how your game is actually running, like how much RAM it is consuming, how it is performing, how much frame per second it is showing. So you can see by starting, by restarting, pausing in between, and you can check the performance of your game, like how your game will perform once you share with another person. So if it is light or heavy, that you can check under debugger. And there is one more shortcut, that is on your keyboard. You can click on, or you can press Ctrl and F5 buttons, and with help of that you can open your debugger. Okay, so let's start yesterday's game where we left. We will start from there. So Jitendra sir, can we start for that? We can continue yesterday's game.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
So yesterday we have created an animation. Like we have installed a very beautiful background in our home screen, and we also applied 2 buttons on the home screen. So you can see there, we have installed a very beautiful background and 2 buttons in the home screen, and we have 1 button for the play game and 1 button for the rules. And we also applied a button effect. So what is the button effect? When you are going to click on the button, then your button will be appear and disappear for a particular time interval which you have applied into the button. So your user can feel he is touching the button, he is clicking on the button. So that's type of UI you can provide to your user, and it is very good. You are going to develop game and you are going to give some user interaction in your game. Now I'm going to play the game and I will show you what is the button effect actually. When you are going to run your game from the home screen, so my game is opening in my browser. Okay, now it is open. So you can see there is a start button. Whenever you are going to click the button, you can see a button effect. You can see I am going to click on the button. So button will appear and disappear. Then you will go to the next screen. This is the main game screen. And we also installed a nice background of a city in our main game screen, and we have also applied a medicine box. And we also created a tutorial application in our game. Like if we are going to the tutorial application, now we have applied 3 buttons in the screen, and if we are going to click on the invention in India button, then you are going to a Wikipedia page where we talk about, okay, what are the invention in India. So you can run your game from there. So you can see I'm going to click on the button invention in India, and I have applied a Wikipedia link in my button, so I can direct through the button to the Wikipedia page. So you can create these type of animation or function in your game, and we have created also. And now we are going to add some more functionality in our game today. And for this, I'm going to my home screen, and then I'm going to the main screen. You can go from the layouts option. So now, what type of event now I want? So it is my medicine box. It is moving now. I have applied a 8 direction behavior in the medicine box, and I have also added no angle properties in the behavior. You can see if I am going to click on the medicine box, and you can see I have applied a 8 direction behavior. So my speed is 200, and acceleration, deceleration, directions, and I have also set my angle to no. So that's mean if I'm going to move my medicine box, so its face will not change. So you can see when I'm going to run the game, if I am moving the box, the face of the medicine box will not change because I have applied set angle as no. If you want to move your face always, then what you can do, you can click on the no button, and whatever the condition you want, if you want to rotate your face as 90 degree, you can choose the 90 degree angle. Then if you want to change your face according to 360 degree, then you can choose the 360 degree. But in my case, I'm going to with no, sorry. Now we want some more sprite in our game, so that's for you need to click on the screen, and I'm going to choose the sprite. I go to the plus icon, then I need to click again on the screen. Then you will get some option to create the image or upload the image. Now I'm going to upload the image because I have created all the images. So these are the capsules image. So I'm going to install all the capsules in my game. So you can see it is the antibacteria, and the size of capsule is very large. You need to minimize it by writing there size section. So I'm going to resize as 100 in X and 50 in Y. Okay, now you can see your capsule is looking fine now, and you can make some behavior on it also. So first of all, I am going to add some more capsule in my game. I am going to install 3 capsule there. I'm again going to click on the screen. I will get the plugin options, and I need to select the sprite. Then I go to the plus icon. Again, I need to click in the screen. Now I have to choose the file option, and then antivirus. Again, you can see it's a too large size for our capsule. Now I'm going to change it as 100 in the X and 50 in the Y. Again, I'm going to install another capsule. Again, you need to double tap on the screen, click on the sprite. You have got the plus icon. Again, click on the sprite, then go to the file section, and you need to select the folder. Now I am going to install anti-protozoa. You need to change your size again 100 and 50. So now we have installed 3 capsules in our game, and you can add. So you need to rename your sprites. So now I am going to rename the red one as the antibacteria. Antibacteria. Green one as a antivirus. Blue one as a anti-protozoa. So these are the drugs which will emit from the medicine box. So I will make the condition. If we will click on any keyboard key, then we are able to emit the particular capsule. So now we have installed 3 capsule in our game. Now I'm going to set some behavior on it. So for setting the behavior, for adding the behavior, you need to select the image. Now I have selected the antibacteria image. So now I'm going to behavior option. I need to click on the behaviors. Then I got some window. Then you need to click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, you will get the window. Now we are going to learn about new behavior properties. It is the bullet behavior. You need to select the bullet behavior in your game. Now we have added the bullet behavior in our capsule, and you can see what is the effect of bullet behavior. So now you can see your capsule is moving from left to right. Your red one is moving. So for this, this is very fast. I'm going to slow down the speed. So my capsule speed is 400. Now I'm going to reduce it as 100. Okay. So I'm going to apply the bullet behavior in my all the capsules. I'm going to choose the green one, and I need to select the behaviors. Then I need to add the behavior. Then again I'm going to select bullet in green one. Okay. Now I'm going to add the behavior on my blue capsule. This is the anti-protozoa. Click on the behavior from your left window. Then you need to click on the add icon. Then bullet behavior. So now we have added bullet behavior in all the capsules. Now you need to reduce the speed. I'm going to reduce the green one speed as 100, and like blue one I will also reduce the speed 400 to 100. Now you have reduced the speed of all the capsule, and now you can run and you can check how your game is looking like. You can see all the capsules are moving automatically. Now another behavior you need to add on the capsule. If your capsule is going outside your game, if they are going to outside of your layout, they are going to destroy. So how you can achieve it? You need to click on the capsule. Then you can click on the behavior option, and then add another behavior. If the capsule is going outside the layout, your capsule will be destroyed. So you need to select the option destroy outside layout. Destroy outside layout. So if your capsule is moving from left to right and it is going to outside your game, it is going to destroy automatically. It will not come again in your screen. Now you need to select the destroy outside layout for all the capsule. You need to click on the green one, and then you can click on the behavior option. Now you can click on the plus icon. Then you can select destroy outside layout. I will do the same for the blue one. Go to the behavior, click on the plus icon, and then click on the destroy outside layout. So now you can see if I am going to play the game, my capsule is moving from left to right, but I want to move this capsule from down to up or bottom to up. So how you can achieve this? So for this, you can see bullet behavior will work on the anchor direction. So you can see there is a direction in your capsule. So this direction is from the horizontal direction. That's why your capsule is moving in horizontal direction. You can click on the all the capsule and you can find a anchor point. So this anchor point directed toward the horizontal direction or from the right direction. That's why your capsule is moving into the right direction. If you are going to change the anchor point, then your capsule direction will also change. So for this, I am going to rotate our capsule. So you can double click on the capsule and a window will appear. Then now you need to rotate your capsule. These are the rotate button: rotate left, rotate right. You can rotate in every direction. Now we have rotated our capsule. Now I'm going to reduce the size. Sorry, okay, I'm going to close the window. So now your capsule has rotated, but your anchor point is same. Whenever you are going to click on the capsule, whenever you are going to play the game, you can see still your capsule is going to left to right. Why? Because your anchor point, you can see your anchor point is directed towards the right. So you need to change this one. So I'm going to change the direction. So now you can see your capsule's direction has changed. Your anchor point is now directed towards the up direction. So now your capsule is moved to the up direction. These two capsules will be moved to the right direction, but this capsule is going to the up direction. You can see. So now it is working fine. Now you can change the direction again, because your capsule is looking very odd now. You need to change the angle again. So we have changed the angle to 270. You can write the angle also. You can write for every capsule angle is 270 degree. Angle is 270 degree. Now you can rotate your capsule again. You need to double tap on the capsule. Rotate again. Now you can see your capsule, your red capsule will be go to the up direction. I'm going to the again both. I am again coming to the both of these capsules, but I am going to deal with the red one first. So you can click on the play button. Now you can see your capsule is moving into the up direction and it is looking nice now. So you need to do work for the of the capsule same as we have applied on the red one. So for this you can again watch the action which I am going to apply. You need to click on the capsule and now you can check the anchor point direction. Now anchor point direction is from left to right. That's why your capsules is going to left to right direction. What you need to do, you need to change the angle. So you need to rotate the capsule first. You can double click on the capsule. You are getting the option rotate clockwise, rotate anti-clockwise. So I am going to rotate in this direction. You have rotated the capsule. Now you need to close the window. After closing the window, we need to change the angle. So our angle is now 0 degree. You can change to 270 degree. Now you again need to rotate your capsule. Double click on the capsule, then rotate again, and then close. Now same for this one. You need to click on the capsule, then you need to rotate it. Now you need to change the angle from 270 degree. And now you need to rotate the capsule again. So now you have changed the direction of your capsule, and your capsule will move from down direction to up direction. Now your game is working fine. You have created an animation in which your capsule is moving into the upward direction. So now what we are going to do, we want a condition when we are going to press a button from the keyboard, then our anti-virus will be emit from the medicine box. When we are going to click on the S button from the keyboard, your anti-bacteria will be emit from the medicine box. And when we are going to click on the D on the keyboard, then your anti-protozoa will be emit from your medicine box. So now, how you can make the condition? So you need to select the keyboard option from your plugins. I have selected already. Now I am going to delete this because I want to show you how you can add the keyboard in your game. So now you need to double tap on your screen. You are getting the plugins option, and now you are getting the option of input. There is gamepad, keyboard and mouse. So for this condition, whenever you are going to click on the A, then your antivirus will emit from the medicine box. Then you want to create this type of condition. That's why you need to choose the keyboard option. You can try other option too, mouse and gamepad. You can also take in your game according to your condition. So now, now we are going to code our home screen. You can click on the coding sheet of home screen code. I'm going to delete the previous one. Okay, now you need to add an event. What condition you need to add? So whenever you are going to click on the A from the keyboard, then your medicine box will produce capsule's image from its image point. So how it can happen from the coding, I will show you. You need to choose the event, click on the add event. Now we are making the condition for the keyboard. We are making the condition for keyboard. That's why we need to select the keyboard option. Now there is many features and you need to select an condition. So I am going with the on key press. So there is a many option: key is down, key is released, key is only any key released, any key press, or a particular key press. So now we are going to on a particular key press. So whenever we are going to press A, then this will create. Then we are going to press S, then this will create. This type of event we are going to create. So for this, I am going to with on key press. Now, so what key is you are going to choose to make the condition? So I need to choose any button. So click to choose, then choose the button. You need to write the button. I am going to A. I am going with the A, and now I need to click on the OK because I have chosen the button, and click on the done. So you have created a condition or event whenever any user is going to press a button. Whenever any user is going to press a button, what type of action you want to create? So I told you that now I want to emit an antivirus image from my medicine box. So that's why you need to click on the add action. Now you need to choose the object from which you want to emit. So we want to emit or produce other images from the medicine box. That's why I'm going to click on the sprite for that is our medicine box. Okay, So what type of action you want to from your medicine box whenever you are going to click on the A button? Then for this, I want to emit or produce some other images from the medicine box. So I am going to use another word here, because in construct there is a word spawn, S-P-A-W-N. A spawn word is there. It can use for the produce and emit, whatever you want to use this word in the other terms. So spawn means you are going to produce another object. So I am going to spawn another object from the medicine box. Done. And what object you want to produce from the medicine box, and what image you want to spawn from the medicine box, you need to choose the image. So I am going to choose the antivirus, and it is on the object layer, and my object layer is layer 1. So you need to check the layer in which layer you are going to work with. Now I am going to work with the object layer, and it is the layer 1. And I will come on the image point after creating some illusion, and you need to click on done. So now we have created a condition. When we are going to click on the A, then our medicine box will spawn or produce another image, that is the antivirus, from the layer 1, and its image point is 0. So now you can check by run your game. So how your game is running now. You can go to the main screen, and now you can click on the run layout option. Okay, there's something with the concept 2. Now we can again run our game. Cannot create an instance of object when antivirus. There is no. Okay, we need to check in our program, but we have it wrong. Now we can go to the our main game screen code. Now, okay, now I have chosen the wrong objects. So it is not the antivirus, it is this image, because I have deleted the previous one, and now I need to choose this one. Now it's okay. You click on the done. So you can check the name of my image, and I'm going to the home main game screen. You can check the name. It is the antivirus, and in coding what I have chosen anti underscore virus. That's why it is showing the error. So you can check before you are going to run your game your coding is right or not. So if it is wrong, then it will show some notification like it shows us today. So now you can check your capsule is emitting from your medicine box into the direction left to right. You can move your medicine box. Again, we need to run the game. So how many capsules are emitting from my medicine box? So you need to change the speed also. So you can see my capsule is emitting from my game. So now you need to go again your code, and you can code for the other sprite also. So now our objects are creating in our game. So you can check where our objects are. So you can click on the medicine box, and you can see it is on object layer. your medicine box is also on the object layer. So these both are on the same layer. That's why I written layer, my capsule is on layer 1. Then my antibacteria should be produced from the medicine box. From the medicine box, my antibacteria capsule should be spawned. From the medicine box, I am going to produce another object, and it is the antibacteria capsule. So you need to check the spelling first. Antibacteria, done. So now I'm going to delete the first block. Okay, so now you can check your game. So whenever I'm going to press the S button, my capsule is emitting from the medicine box. So whenever I'm going to press the S button, your capsule will emit from the medicine box. And if you are going to press so early, that's your illusion will create. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add this type of animation in every type of capsule. So for this, I need to choose the keyboard again, then on key press, I need to select the button, and D for the anti-protozoa. I need to select the action. I want to create some object from the medicine box. And what is the action? I want to create some of the object from the medicine box. That's why I need to choose the spawn another object, and the object is anti-protozoa, and you need to create it on layer 1. Okay, so you have coded the, now you need to code for the layer 1. Done. Same you can create for the first one, which I have deleted. Keyboard, then on key press, then choose the key as the key, and OK. Then you need to select the object. You want to create the object from the medicine box. You need to select the spawn condition for this. Then you need to select the object which you want to create from the medicine box, that is the antivirus capsule. Then change the layer and click on the done. Okay, now you have created the condition. So whenever you are going to press the S button, your antibacteria will be emit from your medicine box. Then whenever you are going to press the D button, your anti-protozoa will be emit from or produce from your spawn from your medicine box. And as well we have created for the antivirus. So now you can run your game. S for the antibacteria, A for the antivirus, and D for the anti-protozoa. So whenever I'm going to press the A button, green capsule will be emit. Whenever I'm going to play on the S button, then antibacteria will be produced. When I'm going to press the D button, then anti-protozoa will be produced. So that's how you have created your illusion, or you have created an animation. Whenever you are going to produce object, you need to select and button for the keyboard. So now you have coded your capsules, and now what you need to do. So now you can check your object is emitting from the center of the medicine box. Or you want to emit all the capsule from the face of the medicine box. That type of condition you want to create. So my capsule are generating from the medicine box, but these capsule are emitting from the center, and these are moving to left to right. So what you need to do? You need to change the direction of the medicine box also. So now we can come to the home main game screen, and then we can change the direction of the medicine box too. So you can see, so your anchor point of the medicine box is in the left to right direction. That's why your capsule is generating from the left to right direction. If you want to generate from to the upper direction, then you need to change the anchor point or anchor direction. So how you can do this? You can do the process same way as the capsule. So you have changed the direction of the capsule in the previous one case. Now that's how we are going to change our medicine box case. So now we are going to change the direction. So for this I am going to rotate our medicine box. Need to click on the medicine box, then rotate, then close. And now I'm going to change the direction. Now you need to double click on the medicine box, rotate this one into the upper direction, and close the window. Now you can see anchor point is on the above direction, and your face is also in the above direction. So now you can see your capsule will be emit from the face of the medicine box. You are going to press the A button, then your capsule will move to the down direction to the upper direction. S for the anti-bacteria, D for the anti-protozoa. So now one more thing we can do. So you can see your capsule is generating from the center or bottom from the medicine box, but you want to emit from the handle handle from the medicine box. So how you can achieve this? So you can again go your game. You can click on medicine box. It's so large size. So you can check there is an image point in your game. It the set origin and image point section. So now you need to choose the image point. So now it's your image point is on the center. So now you need to shift it. You can click on the image point and close the window, and you can click anywhere where you want to emit the capsule. So now I want to emit the capsule from there. So capsule will be emit from this point. I can change the anchor image point from there. It is the center of S. It will look nice from there. So it's depend on you where you want to emit the capsule. I want emit the capsule from the center of the handle. Now you can run your game. You can close your window, and now you have changed the image point of your medicine box. Now you can see there is a change in the image point also. So now the capsule is emitting from the just behind the handle, and if you want to shift the origin or image point from there, from upper direction, you can change it also. So it's depend on you how you are going to change your image point. You can click on the medicine box, then you can choose the image point option, then you can go to the left to right, or you can also reduce the size. You can just use your anchor point. Now I'm going to shift the origin point from handle to outside the medicine box.
Okay.
Now it is the center. So it is the center of the.
Sir, we have got last 9 minutes left.
Okay, sure, ma'am. I'm going to run the game. Then we are going to
Sure.
end the session. So now you can check your game again. So now if you are going to click on the A, then you can see your image point is changed now. So that's the illusion we have created today, and now you can create these type of illusion in your game also. Now we are going to destroy our enemy. We are going to import our enemy in our game tomorrow. So now, Supriya ma'am, you can continue from there.
Yes, sure. So
Or
today we
you,
have
you
learned.
can go with the question and answers also.
Yes,
What do you
yes,
think?
yes. We will summarize, we will have homework, and then we will start for question and answer. So today we learn about different behavior, especially bullet behavior, and we see how to set anchor position and how to set origin of any sprite. Then we interface keyboard and keys with our sprites. So this is what we learned today. And today there is very interesting homework for all of you. So today what you need to do is you need to go on mentioned link that is displaying on your screen right now. From there you can download half game, and then you can edit it and you can share it with us on techatlearninginsindia.org. Yes.
Okay.
So let's download and start. Yes, we can go for question and answer.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. We have received a lot of queries here. So let's take the questions from our viewers. Our first question is by Animesh, and he is asking, how can I share the link of the game I have created with my students? And is it possible to save the game online on any website?
So you can download the Capex version of your game,
Okay.
and you can share the Capex version, and you can your students or the colleague, you can run the game on the construct software. Or you want to create your game into the other format, you can create also, like you can create into the HTML format and other format. And now if you are going to the option of export project, then your project will be exported, and you can change the file format also, and you can share with others.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, you've answered one more question here itself, that Sushant was asking, how can I download the game I have created? So
Yeah, sure.
you answered that already. Do you want to answer it again briefly?
So yeah. So there is another option to download or save the file. You can click on the file, and you can save as a single file.
Okay.
So there are two options: save as a project and save as a single file. If you are going to save as a single file, then whenever you are going to share your game, then your whole project, your images, your sounds, your coding, all the sheet is going to transfer to other whenever you are going to download and save as a single file. And whenever you are going to save as a project also only, then you will get difficulty to open your file into the different computer when you are going to share your project as a save as a project. So whenever you are going to you want to share the project, you can click on the save as single file, and you can share with others.
Okay. So Animesh is asking, is it possible to play the games I have created in the mobile devices?
In which software he has developed the game? Scratch or Construct?
Not mentioned.
I think
I think Construct only.
I think if he is using mobile, then I think he is using Scratch, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
So you can share your game while converting into the HTML format. You can go to the HTML file link, HTML file. So you can upload your project there, or you can upload your project ID there. Then you can click on the download, and whatever the link is going to download, you can share this link to others. So every user of mobile, tablet and computer can open your game into the HTML format and can play your game.
Okay, all right. I hope Sushant, Animesh, you've got the answer you were looking for. Sir, we have another question by Nand Kishore, and he's saying he tried downloading the software, but on opening it's saying some error, and it's saying there was a problem with Construct 2's digital signature, and there was an error code mentioned in the brackets, and after that the application is getting closed. So is the problem is at his end or the software's end?
You can delete your cookies in the construct game engine, and then when you are going to refresh your page again, you can download your construct 2. I think construct you can download into the 2 GB of 2 GB RAM. So if your computer has the 2 GB RAM, you can run the construct 2. But if I think your computer is not less than the 2 GB RAM. So you can refresh your cookies and you can download again. Then I think it should be not a big problem.
Okay. Okay, so we have a viewer, Ritesh, and he's asking where can we submit our games, and he's also asking, can we only create 2D games in Construct 2?
Yes, Animesh, you can create only 2D games in Construct 2. If you want to create the 3D games, I will let you know tomorrow. We are going to explore a platform where you can learn game designing in 3D also. And yes, you can share your game. You can create your game also. There is a link, https://rb.gy, and you can download some of the half game from there. You can create these one, and you can share with the tech@learninglinksindia.org.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, sir, for answering the questions. I hope, Ritesh, you have now got the answer, and you're satisfied with the answer sir just told you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for being here, for clearing the concept, and we'll come back tomorrow with the same time at the same place. Till then, thank you for being here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the students for asking all those questions. We are getting an idea that you are interested in creating your own games and uploading them on various platforms. All the very best to all of you. This training is going to be very useful for all of you. So stay with us till 16th of July. Keep on watching these sessions and keep on asking us the questions you want to, because our experts are here to answer all those queries. Stay with us, don't go anywhere. We are coming back in a short while with another special live phone-in program, Sayog, where we are going to discuss anger management. Thank you so much once again, and take great care of yourself. Namaste.